Hello, everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I got a witchy unboxing for you for December, sent with love from the UK. The only thing I'm worried about is my box is crushed, and it's never come in crushed. So I hope everything's okay inside. Oh, I pray that it's okay. And nothing fell out and all that good stuff. I mean, that's a big dent. Let's hope it's okay. Okay. Our usual box with the Witch Casket logo all inside. Oh, it is a little crushed. Let's see. This is our theme. And our theme is Lunar Magic. Lunar Magic. And our first item is crushed as well, but it is the art card. It was a beautiful art card, too. And the back is your monthly manifestation. And look how pretty this is with the witch, with the lantern, under the crescent moon, in the woods. It's really beautiful. So our art and manifestation card is beautiful. Put that there. I want to get in. Hope nothing else got broken. Ooh, we have a beautiful tote bag with the phases of the moon. Very pretty. Like that. These are great when you go into farm markets and stuff. Nice. Shopping. Cute. Alright, put that there. My next item, a little crushed. Hopefully it'll, like, it's okay. Manifestation Charm Bag Kit. And of course, everything matches as always. Let me get my little slice on that. Okay. Oops. Okay. I pop that open. In here we have our beautiful manifestation spell. And it says charm bag. Ooh, we got a pretty bag. Pentacle. It's cotton. Really nice. Reusable with the moon phases. Our herbs. And looks like a mini scroll. So we got everything we need. And the herbs in our charm bag are bay leaves and bay leaf and rose chips for our spell. Then we have, ooh, pretty. I don't know if that's broken or what. But we have this beautiful moon wooden tile. I guess you can hang this on your tree or even on a wall. Very pretty. Mine's got like a, I don't know if that's from the shipment or just natural. It's not too bad, so I'm not going to complain. Very cool. Then we got our scroll. I wanted to show you that has the moon faces on the sticker as well. Let me see. Okay. I think that should pop it. There we go. No, I don't want to rip it. Okay. So our scroll, our purple shadow sheet, is the magical phases of the moon. Very nice. Okay. Then we got a beautiful black sachet here. And pretty art card here. Witch Casket, Rainbow Moonstone Pendulum. Info in the back. So we have a beautiful pendulum with rainbow moonstone. A little crystal ball in the end here. Very pretty. Next item. Beautiful box. Magical Moon Water Bottle. Ooh. Even their boxes are so pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I got a collection of bottles from them. Pretty green bottle. I think a beautiful red one. This is gorgeous. Nice top. And on the bottle has big engraved, it sticks out, I guess you can say, the crescent moon with stars around. Really pretty. Gorgeous. Then, ooh, my pen really got crushed. But on the pin is really cute. Wow. It is a crescent moon with the witch with the black cat on it. Let me see if I can hold it without. There we go. Isn't that adorable? Then we got incense sticks, Moon Magic incense sticks. This one is an enchanting blend of rose and myrrh. Your beautiful box of incense. Oops. Dropped it. And this looks like our last item is here. And it says, Witch Casket exclusive Crescent Moon Crystal Tray. In this pretty box. Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at that. With the crystals in it engraved. Beautiful. Oops, I keep dropping everything, guys. Sorry. That is gorgeous. All right, let's get to the bottom. Oh, I can't feel my legs. All right, let's see what the paperwork says. Hi, baby. My dog eating. You want to go up? You got to go up the stairs. You're going to knock over my camera. So, wait. Beautiful art there. Thank you very much for subscribing to our December Witch Casket. This month, due to high demand, we honor the magic of the moon with lunar magic caskets. Beautiful. And we're going to go over the items. Magical Moon Water Bottle is the first item. Says, these are all exclusives. So harness lunar energy and add it to your magic using this enchanting bottle to create and store your magical moon water. Crescent Moon Crystal Tray, ouch, is the second item on here. From our drawing board to your altar, this enchanting crescent moon crystal tray to grace your altar to keep all your small crystals close by. This tray is also useful to place your crystals on your windowsill or outdoors during good weather to cleanse your crystals in the moonlight. Then, magical moon wooden wall plate. Where is that? I buried it over here. Let's see. Ah, here we go. Ooh. That's this pretty guy here. Display your love for the moon magic with our bewitching wooden wall plaque designed and made exclusively for our subscribers. Oh, Luna loves it. She's like, I'd like to get my hands on that. Eat it up. Moon Phases tote bag. When you're out foraging in the magical outdoors, or visiting your favorite metaphysical store, or simply want to show your love for the magical moon, this tote will do a beautiful job for you. All right, then the Rainbow Moonstone pendulum. A beautiful yet simple divination tool. Hold your pendulum by the chain and allow it to settle. Then ask yes or no questions that you already know the answer to see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of your pendulum for yes or no questions. Then the Magical Moon Incense exclusive, an enchanting blend of rose and myrrh. Light the incense and a call upon, they also have an affirmation on here as well. I call upon the power of the moon to surround me as I work my magic. Manifestation charm bag with a beautiful moon. Drawstring pouch with the full instructions. And then the cat on the moon, which is so cute, enamel pin. We think this little familiar atop of the moon is adorable and magical in equal measure. This exclusive pin will add magic to any jacket, bag, or enhance any wall display. And back of, the Magical Phases of the Moon scroll parchment. Exclusive as well. And then the last item is the Lunar Illumination Art Print / Manifestation. A witch in her familiar enjoying the moonlight in their midnight stroll. This bewitching art print was lovely and created in-house designer Faye, especially for you. Absolutely, as always, love. Favorite box ever. It comes out of the UK, Witch Casket. I leave the information down below, guys. Thanks for watching and have a blessed Yule.